What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneakerbot Club, where we post live cops, tutorials, and reviews. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the club. So today I'm sharing a live cop video of the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe release on foot sites using the A and B all-in-one sneaker bot. Now this bot did amazingly well on this release, with some users checking out over 20 pairs. To see how well it did for me, just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Be sure to stick around until the end if you want to learn about my exact setup, strategy, and thought process for this release. And if you want to purchase this bot, I have a link down in the description below. Alright guys, enjoy. Alright, so now let's go over everything I did right to cop 16 pairs on this release. Now let's start with proxies. For this release, I used residential proxies from Slash Proxies. For these proxies, I used static, and the IP pool I used Footsites US, and what I did was create 100 proxies for this. I'll copy this. These are going to be my normal proxies, so just go to add new, name it anything. Change it to normal, paste them here, and look for Footsites. Save. Now I'm gonna make 20 more. Take those 20 and create a new one for monitor proxies. And we'll turn both of those on. Okay, so for captchas, I only had 3 different accounts logged in. I don't think it's really necessary to have a bunch of accounts for foot sites just because you hardly ever get hit with CAPTCHAs. So I do want to go over how to properly log into your CAPTCHAs really quick. Hopefully this will help out some people. So first thing you want to do is go to Open CAPTCHA and click on Add New. And here you're just going to paste in your email and your password and a proxy if you have one for that account. Hit save, then go ahead and hit that play button. Now the first thing you want to do is click on this red YouTube play button. Click on that and it's gonna automatically log you into Gmail. So just give it a couple seconds and it'll automatically fill in your email and password. Now you know you are completely signed in when you see a letter or your user icon up here in the corner. Now you can go ahead and open up all the foot sites CAPTCHAs. And that's it. Just repeat that for as many Gmail accounts as you'd like. Now for all my tasks, they're pretty simple. All I did was use a delay of 4500 and I started the tasks about 5 minutes before the release. Now what I did was I kept checking on every single task. Sometimes you'll have one stuck with some sort of error, 502 error or access denied error. So what you want to do with those is just go ahead and restart those tasks. Just keep an eye on your tasks for the whole release, because if your task is stuck on access denied or some sort of error, then that just decreases your chances of copying. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to ask it down below. I try to get back to every single person, so don't be scared to ask. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright guys, peace.